Hey guys, welcome to Corporate. So our today's topic is background color. How to use, how to fill an object, like any object, with a background color if it doesn't have any already, or if you want to change the background color of a particular object or any object for that matter. So how we do that? So for that, to understand that, first we will make maybe a human being, maybe a normal human being. So how does a human being look like? We make a oval object. We then use a polygon, maybe, and like this we put here, and then we give it two legs like this. One leg, this is two legs. Okay, hmm, I'm pretty sure a human being doesn't look like that, but anyways, it will work for our tutorial. So the first thing you do is you select the object for which you want to change the background color or fill color for that matter. So what you do is that you go to the design panel. So you see the design panel is already selected. If not, then I just click on the design panel. So then you go towards the fill property. So remember, the fill property and the background property is one and the same thing. Now what you do is, now before you click on the symbol and move further, I want to show you one particular thing, that this code that you see D9 D9 D9, this is the current fill color. So this hex code, this is the hexadecimal code, shows you what is the current fill color or what is the current background color of your object which you have selected. So you can even write, you must be taking why the hash symbol is not there. So you can put the hash symbol and then press enter. Use the Figma automatically removes it just to keep things a little bit cleaner. So now you select that icon. You see the icon shows you the current color that is currently applied. So if you change the color, you see the icon's color, background color also changes. So now what you do is that there are like many ways to change like background color. So one way is you just move the hue. So for that I will have to move this dot here. So the hue works. Hue was, yeah. So you see if you move it to right or left, the hue automatically changes. Hue is the particular color like that you're applying. The next way is that you can choose the color. Your color will remain same, remember. Now you can change the grayscale of the color, like the grayness of the color or the lightness of the color or the darkness of the color. I won't be showing you much about how to do that, and that will be for a different video because this playlist is not for the design, like particularly going into the UI principles and all the color theory and all those things. So we'll be delving into it later. If you stick to it, you will definitely come across it one day in the future for sure. So the next way we can change it is you can lower down the opacity. Remember, this line is for the hue. This changes the hue of the color, and this changes the opacity of the color. So the more left you move, the lesser your opacity becomes. So at this point it becomes zero. You see, as you move from light to left, the value changes here. So it's showing how much opacity your background color has currently. So currently it is 62%. At extreme right it is 100%. At extreme left it is 0%. So in between, you know, like let's keep it at 70%. So the one more thing I want to tell you is that as you move your dot inside the color palette, not color palette exactly, but this rectangle thing, so the color code changes as well at the same time. So you see, so that's how you change the background colors. So now let's give it a blue color. Now imagine how you would be doing that. You would first choose mhm, a blue hue from here, and then you move this dot here. You thought why is it not coming? Because it was totally grayscale. That's why. So next you just change the stroke color. Remember, whenever you want to change the color of a line, you have to choose the stroke color and not the fill color. So I want to give it red here, and I want to give the stroke color red. The procedure is the same opacity line, the same hue line is there as well. So that's how you do it. So that was a video for the how to fill a background color, how to fill an object with a background color, change the background color of an object or the whole frame for that matter. For example, I would just give it a black background color and see how it looks. Hmm, it doesn't look that bad, I would say. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can even change the background color of the canvas as well. So canvas is like where you put all your frames on. So if you want to choose the just if you want to change the background color of the canvas, just unselect anything. Currently, right now, this object is selected. This is selected. If you just left click your mouse outside all of your frames and everything, you see there is just one property named background, and currently it shows 5 f5 f5, which is the current background color of your canvas. Now you can even change the background color of your canvas as well. Just click on this and give it whatever the hell color that you want to give. So that's how you use background colors. Now one more thing, as I always do, the one thing that I will be coming up in my next videos is, currently we only remember whatever color we gave, they were solid colors, although we did use opacity at this 70%, remember, but they were still solid colors. Now you can even give gradients to your object's frames. So in the next videos we will be showing the, or rather I will be showing you um, how to give a linear gradient to an object or a frame, or radial gradient the next video, and then the next video angular gradient, diamond gradients, and then it will be a special video for you guys. Not even that special though. I mean, everybody does that. I am seriously man. How to fill an object with an image, or a frame with an image. So till then, guys, see you. I love you all. Trust me on that, and like, share, and subscribe. That's why we YouTubers are here for. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much.